So previously we talked about installing PyCharm for Python. In this video we'll talk about VS Code installation for Python and configuration of VS Code also for Python. So quickly, to get your VS Code, all you need to do is just to go to Google and type VS Code. Then click on download. I have it already on my computer, so I don't need to download VS Code anymore. So once your download is complete, run the installation and you would have something like this. So this is how VS Code looks. So the first thing I would want you to do after installing it is to go on to the extension tab, click on this stack extension and just type Python. So you just install the first one, the IntelliSense for Python, and there are many other extensions that you can install if you want. There is Python snippets. The next one is Code Runner. So this is Code Runner, the first one, this one. Install it on your system, as an extension on your Visual Studio Code, and when you have that already, we can test it out. So let's create a quick file. So let's create a new file. I will just call this hello.py, okay? hello.py. Save. And with our file created, all we need to do is just... So I just want to test what we've just installed, the Code Runner. So I will do print hello world. So basically this is like your first Python script anyways. So I'll save this and let's run it. And as you can see, hello world is printed. This is Code Runner working successfully. So right now we've been able to install VS Code, install the Code Runner extension, and we've also gone ahead to run our first Python code. So that is it on installing of VS Code and getting it set for Python. I'll see you in the next video where we get into programming proper. See you guys.